Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to buy USDT on Binance P2p bank transfer. All you need to do is go to your Binance app and click More. Scroll down and look for P2p. Then at the top, you will see the P2p. Click it and select P2p More Options or More Offers. Then, in Euro, click on it and change in USD. Now, to add payment method, click the three dots at the right corner. Select Payment Methods and click Add a Payment Method. Then, from here, you need to click or enter the following informations. After that, go back to P2p. From this buy, we'll see the cryptocurrency USDT, Bitcoin, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, and DAI. And from the sell, you will see again these cryptocurrencies. But we will click on buy. Then if you want to transfer here, you need to click the buy on the right side and select next. You can now finish your transfer on your P2p. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.